1. 1955 Ford Pro Street. Price, $30,000, located in Langley, Oklahoma. This 1955 Ford Pro Street is a beautifully customized two-door classic that blends timeless 1950s styling with modern performance and drivability. Finished in an eye-catching white exterior complemented by a red interior, this Ford delivers the bold appearance and unmistakable character that enthusiasts expect from a professionally built Pro Street machine. The body retains the iconic lines that made the 1955 Ford one of the most recognizable vehicles of its era while incorporating upgrades that make it far more enjoyable on today's roads. Power comes from a recently installed Ford 302 V8 engine paired with a dependable C4 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the drivetrain is entirely new and provides excellent reliability and smooth operation. The vehicle is reported to run and drive exceptionally well, requiring no immediate repairs or mechanical attention. Whether cruising through town, attending local car shows, or participating in weekend events, this Ford is ready to be enjoyed immediately. The combination of classic styling, upgraded mechanical components, and strong road manners makes this vehicle an appealing choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. With its distinctive appearance, proven V8 power, and turnkey condition, this 1955 Ford Pro Street represents a fantastic opportunity to own a custom classic that stands out wherever it goes. 2. 1965 Ford Mustang GT Street Car. Price, $25,000, located in Fort Worth, Texas. This 1965 Ford Mustang GT Street Car is a classic American pony car that combines vintage styling with extensive mechanical upgrades for improved reliability and modern drivability. Finished in its original poppy red color, this Mustang continues to attract attention everywhere it goes and remains a favorite among enthusiasts seeking a dependable cruiser with plenty of character. Power is provided by a Ford 302 V8 engine featuring an Edelbrock aluminum intake, ceramic-coated headers, electronic ignition, custom exhaust system, and Flowmaster mufflers. A Ford Racing Tremec 5-speed transmission conversion has been installed, dramatically improving highway cruising and overall driving enjoyment. The vehicle also benefits from upgraded cooling components, including an aluminum radiator and electric fans. Suspension, brake, and chassis improvements include replaced floor pans, refreshed bushings, new wheel bearings, upgraded brakes, and various maintenance items. The interior features pony trim, relocated battery, and updated locks. Included with the sale is the original numbers matching 289 engine along with a professionally built 347-stroker short block. This Mustang offers a strong foundation for collectors seeking a classic car with substantial upgrades already completed. 3. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Price, $30,000, located in Olia, Louisiana. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova is a serious Pro Street and drag-oriented machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate extreme performance. Featuring a tube chassis construction and numerous race-ready components, this Nova delivers an aggressive stance and impressive horsepower potential while still retaining several original body features. At the heart of the build is a powerful 540 cubic inch engine equipped with a dry sump lubrication system and dual-stage nitrous setup. The vehicle operates on premium pump fuel under normal driving conditions and utilizes a separate fuel system for high-octane race fuel when the nitrous system is activated. Power is transferred through a proven Powerglide transmission designed for high-performance applications. The chassis includes double adjustable coilover suspension at all four corners, a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle with 35 spline axles, and 4.10 gearing. Factory doors, dashboard, firewall, and operating windows help maintain a connection to the original vehicle. With upgraded components throughout and a title included, this Nova offers tremendous performance potential for racers and serious hot rod enthusiasts alike. 4. 1987 Chevrolet Cavalier Z24 Pro Street. Price, $27,000, located in Taylor, Michigan. This 1987 Chevrolet Cavalier Z24 Pro Street is a truly unique custom build that stands apart from traditional muscle cars and hot rods. Built on a full chassis and extensively modified, this one-of-a-kind vehicle combines compact Chevrolet styling with V8 performance and race-inspired engineering. The result is an attention-grabbing machine unlike anything commonly found at local shows or cruise nights. Power comes from a built 400 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination has long been favored by performance enthusiasts due to its durability and ability to handle substantial horsepower. The vehicle's Pro Street design emphasizes both performance and visual impact, creating a distinctive appearance that attracts attention wherever it appears. The seller describes the car as a custom-built vehicle with a title and indicates that trade opportunities may be considered. Its extensive modifications, chassis upgrades, and unique character make it appealing to enthusiasts looking for something completely different from the typical Pro Street build. This Cavalier represents a rare opportunity to own a custom vehicle that is both memorable and highly distinctive. 5. 1975 Nissan 260Z. Price, $13,995, located in Wellston, Oklahoma. This 1975 Nissan 260Z is a custom V8-powered sports car that combines classic Japanese styling with proven American performance. Finished in green with a wide-body appearance, this unique build transforms the already desirable 260Z into an exciting street machine with substantial visual appeal and upgraded power. The vehicle features a Chevrolet 327 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering a more aggressive driving experience than the original factory configuration. A fuel cell has been installed, and the vehicle benefits from power brakes along with various maintenance updates, including new wheel cylinders. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well despite spending time in storage. The exterior retains attractive paint with metallic flake details that enhance its appearance in sunlight. Massive rear tires contribute to the aggressive stance and reinforce the custom performance theme. While not presented as a show-quality restoration, the vehicle offers strong character and individuality. For enthusiasts seeking a unique blend of Japanese sports car heritage and American V8 power, this 1975 Nissan 260Z delivers a memorable driving experience and standout presence. 6. 1968 Mercury Cougar. Price, $26,000, located in Eaton, Ohio. This 1968 Mercury Cougar is a beautifully built classic muscle car that combines elegant styling with upgraded performance components. Known for its distinctive appearance and upscale character, the Cougar remains one of the most desirable alternatives to the Ford Mustang, offering both comfort and performance in a unique package. Power comes from a 302-stroker V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, creating an engaging driving experience for enthusiasts who enjoy shifting through the gears. The vehicle is equipped with power steering and 4-wheel disc brakes, enhancing both handling and stopping performance. A limited-slip rear differential and ladder bar suspension system help maximize traction and stability. The seller reports that more than $35,000 has been invested in the build, with documentation and photographs available detailing the restoration and modification process. Inside, the vehicle features a nicely finished interior that complements its overall presentation. Combining classic styling, upgraded performance, and substantial investment in improvements, this Cougar offers an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a distinctive and enjoyable vintage muscle car. 7. 1940 Chevrolet Pickup Pro Street. Price, $29,000, located in Frankfort, Kentucky. This 1940 Chevrolet Pickup Pro Street is a freshly completed custom build that combines classic truck styling with modern components and dependable V8 performance. Finished in a striking turquoise exterior with a gray interior, this pickup offers an eye-catching appearance and the unmistakable character that only a vintage Chevrolet can provide. The vehicle is powered by a rebuilt Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission. A custom Ford 9-inch rear axle, 4-link suspension system, and coilover shocks help deliver improved handling and ride quality. The truck rides on new wheels and tires that complement its aggressive Pro Street stance. Nearly every major component has been replaced or upgraded during the build. Improvements include a custom frame, front axle, aluminum radiator, steel radiator shell, fuel tank, steering column, wiring, gauges, glass, weather stripping, and lighting system. The steel bed and fiberglass rear fenders complete the custom appearance. With only a few hundred miles reported since completion, this 1940 Chevrolet pickup offers a fresh build ready for shows, cruising, and weekend enjoyment. 8. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $52,000, located in Manville, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street is a professionally built muscle car that combines show-quality appearance with serious street performance. Finished in custom candy apple red paint accented by SS stripes, this Nova presents an aggressive stance and premium level of craftsmanship that makes it a standout at any event. Power comes from a 383-stroker V8 topped with a billet 6V71 supercharger. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission featuring line lock functionality and a gear vendor's overdrive system for improved highway cruising. Additional features include vintage air conditioning, electric power steering, and electric-assisted braking systems that enhance comfort and drivability. Performance upgrades continue throughout the chassis with QA1 coilover suspension, upgraded control arms, a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.11 gears, and massive rear tires mounted on billet double beadlock wheels. A parachute system and numerous racing-inspired components reinforce the car's pro-street personality. According to the seller, the vehicle has never been raced and has been carefully maintained. This Nova offers an impressive combination of show car appearance, modern convenience, and supercharged muscle car performance. 9. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street. Price, $39,500, located in Forney, Texas. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street is a purpose-built race machine that combines legendary first-generation Camaro styling with serious track-ready performance. Built by Don Hardy and described as completely rust-free, this Camaro represents an opportunity to own a professionally assembled drag car with documented history and extremely limited track use. Power comes from an NYE Racing 565 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine producing an estimated 1,000 horsepower. The engine features Brodix aluminum cylinder heads, a ported Super Victor intake, and a performance carburetor designed to maximize airflow and horsepower. Power is delivered through an FTI-built Powerglide transmission and a cone billet converter. The lightweight chassis utilizes fiberglass body components and weighs approximately 2,570 pounds without the driver. Additional upgrades include a Dana 60 rear axle, spool, heavy-duty axles, and performance driveline components. According to the seller, the car has made only a handful of passes and includes documentation, timeslips, and build information. This Camaro offers exceptional performance potential and remains ready for competition or exhibition use. 10. 1981 Chevrolet Pro Street. Price, $20,000, located in Houston, Texas. This 1981 Chevrolet Pro Street is an aggressive custom-built muscle machine that combines supercharged big block power with classic styling and street presence. Finished in red with a black interior, the vehicle delivers an unmistakable appearance that immediately attracts attention whether parked at a show or cruising down the highway. Power comes from a massive 496 cubic inch stroker engine topped with a 671 supercharger and dual carburetors. The combination is reported to produce approximately 850 horsepower in its current configuration, providing impressive performance potential. A turbo 350 transmission equipped with a stall converter and performance shifter transfers power to a positraction rear axle with 3.73 gearing. Additional upgrades include a high-capacity aluminum radiator, upgraded fuel delivery system, dual electric cooling fans, and numerous cosmetic improvements. New lighting components and exterior trim help enhance the overall presentation while maintaining the vehicle's custom character. Combining classic muscle car appeal with substantial horsepower and proven performance equipment, this Chevrolet offers enthusiasts an exciting opportunity to own a powerful pro street machine capable of turning heads wherever it appears. 11. 1969 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $45,000, located in Groveton, Texas. This 1969 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street is a serious big block-powered muscle car built for enthusiasts who appreciate both street performance and drag strip capability. Featuring the clean and aggressive body style that made the Nova famous, this custom build combines classic Chevrolet heritage with substantial horsepower and a purpose-built attitude. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet big block V8 engine designed to deliver strong acceleration and impressive torque. The Pro Street configuration gives the car an aggressive stance with wide rear tires and upgraded drivetrain components intended to maximize traction and performance. Built to perform on both the street and strip, the vehicle offers the versatility that many enthusiasts seek in a custom muscle car. The seller notes that the car is ready for immediate enjoyment and represents one of several vehicles being offered from a collection. Whether attending local events, participating in cruise nights, or enjoying occasional track outings, this Nova provides the appearance and performance expected from a high-quality Pro Street build. Opportunities to acquire well-built big block Novas remain highly desirable among muscle car enthusiasts and collectors alike. 12. 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Restomod. Price, $23,000, located in New Braunfels, Texas. This 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Restomod blends classic Mopar styling with carefully selected modern upgrades to create an enjoyable and dependable driver-focused muscle car. Finished in gray with a black interior, the vehicle retains the distinctive notchback design that helped establish the Barracuda as one of the most recognizable performance cars of the 1960s. Power comes from a CAM 360 cubic inch LA Series V8 paired with a TCI Street Fighter 727 automatic transmission. A 4-barrel carburetor, upgraded exhaust system, and performance rear gearing help provide strong acceleration and responsive performance. The drivetrain is supported by a custom driveshaft and various supporting upgrades designed to improve reliability. Additional features include working air conditioning, aluminum radiator with electric fans, upgraded wiring harness, modern touchscreen stereo system, backup camera, relocated battery, and powered adjustable seats. LED lighting and aftermarket wheels contribute to both appearance and functionality. The seller reports solid floor pans, minimal rust concerns, and a clean title. This Barracuda offers an appealing combination of vintage character, modern convenience, and classic Mopar V8 performance.